Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is a 12-inch MDF board in which I drew circles and grids already, and I'm going to paint a very simple dot mandala which any beginner can easily follow and recreate. Let's get started now. I'll start with dotting in the center in white. I'll keep one more circle of white dots. Now I'll keep tiny white dots. This is a created shade of blue that I use, and I'm going to dot with it now. Now I'll keep tiny dots in the same shade of blue. This is again a shade of blue that I created by mixing cerulean blue and white. I'll dot with it now. I'll keep tiny dots now. Now I'm going to dot with the third shade of blue. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep some white dots. Now I'll keep smaller white dots. I'll work the dots with white but only one side. I'll keep some golden yellow dots. Now I'll keep chrome yellow dots. Now I'll work the dot second layer with chrome yellow. Now I'll work the dot's third layer with golden yellow. Now I'll keep blue dots using the first shade of blue. Now I'll keep tiny dots. I'll keep dots in the second shade of blue now. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep dots in the third shade of blue. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep some white dots. Now I'll keep smaller white dots. Now I'll work the dots in white, but I'll work the dots only one side. Now I'll keep two smaller dots in chrome yellow. Now I'll work the dots in chrome yellow. I'll keep two small dots in golden yellow. Now I'll work the dots in golden yellow. I'll work the dot second layer in golden yellow. I'm sure all of you love this dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.